Hey everyone, it's time for the latest GoSkills Excel challenge. This month's challenge was submitted by our community member, Ilgar Zarbaliyev. Follow along and see if you can solve it yourself. Hey everyone, welcome to this month's Excel challenge. Let's jump right into this. What you see here on the Dataset tab is an employee roster, similar to one you'd find at any business. You've got employee names, some personal info, the department they work in, their annual salary, their city, and their job title. Well, your job is to perform some routine analysis on this data over on the Solution tab. Take a look at the requests for information right here. How many employees make more than this amount? How many employees are in each department and are male? What's the average salary in this department? And what's the average salary for each location for women? What's the minimum salary for men in each department? And finally, what's the maximum salary for women in those same departments? You should be able to tell already we are going to need a variety of formulas to generate the answers, but these information requests you see will certainly prepare you for similar ones you might get in your own company. So whatever the data is, by completing this challenge, you'll be ready to serve up quick, accurate answers, no matter what information your colleagues need. So, good luck with this month's challenge. Do you have what it takes to complete this challenge? To get started, click the link below to download all the files you need. Let us know how you're doing in the comments section. Or, even better, join the GoSkills Slack channel and chat with other Excel pros about your progress. Link in the description. If you'd like to know the solution to this challenge, hit that subscribe button and get notified when the next video drops with all the step-by-step instructions on how to solve it. Good luck, everybody!